Hello and welcome to another in the Pandemic World series of basement tapes down here in my basement. Um, this time, pulled out the 12 string again. Can you see? And I'm going to do a song by Procol Harum called A Salty Dog. This was always actually one of my favorite songs to sing back in when I was playing with Bluestone Ivory because we had horns and we had a big horn section. So we could do it pretty much orchestrally. That's not easy for me to say. Um, so what I've done is I moved it to the 12 string to give it a little fuller sound. I've also added the shimmer reverb on top of that, again trying to fill out the sound and make it sound more like an orchestra. Lovely chords in this one. I love that opening chord. Any rate, here it comes, A Salty Dog. Okay, let's give this a try. All hands on deck, we've run afloat. I heard the captain cry, explore the ship, replace the cook, let no one leave alive. Across the straits, around the Horn, how far can sailors fly? A twisted path, our tortured course, and no one left alive. We sailed for parts unknown to man, where ships come home to die. No lofty peak, no fortress bold could match our captain's eye. Upon the seventh seasick day, we met our port of call. Oh, sand so white and sea so blue, no mortal place at all. We fired the gun, we burned the mast, and rode from ship to shore. The captain cried, we sailors wept, our tears were tears of joy. Now many moons and many Junes have passed since we made land. Oh, solid dog, this seaman's log, y'all witness my own hand. A Salty Dog, Procol Harum. If you enjoyed that, give me a subscribe down there, leave a comment somewhere, and otherwise, I will see you again next time. Have a good one.